The purpose of this video is to discuss the Online Writing Center. So getting a tutor is not required. It is only here for your benefit. So there are two options. One is you can ask for a tutor, and this is a live one-on-one session where you will tutor with someone through Skype. The second option is through email, and this option allows you to submit your document, and then the tutor will give you ideas on how to improve your paper. So if you don't have time to meet with someone in person, the emailing your document is a great option. I do recommend for both of these options that you do not wait until the day before the assignment is due. Always try to meet with someone at least 3 or 4 days prior to the due date, and that is possible because basically the final assignment is not turned in. Basically, we're working on the same assignment for 2 weeks, and so there should be plenty of time for you to be able to meet with that tutor. So yeah, those are the two options that are available for tutoring. Also, you are welcome to meet with me anytime. And yeah, so if you have any further questions about the tutoring center, let me know. Bye.